Hi everyone, welcome back. Fancy a quickie? I happen to have a few apples lying around, so I thought I would use them because they were going a bit, So I'm just going to whip together some apple muffins, really quick, really easy, and gets rid of any kind of fruit that's left messing around. So all I've done in preparation for this is I have creamed together some butter and some light brown sugar, soft light brown sugar. And into that, I'm going to add milk and 2 beaten eggs. Now this is going to split horribly, but it literally doesn't matter. Okay, so I just pour it in. In it all goes. And then I'm just going to take a wooden spoon and kind of mix it together a bit. Like I said, it's not going to mix perfectly. It's going to split. It's going to be lumpy. It's going to be horrible. But it's not what it looks like now. It's what it comes out like after. If you didn't want to use butter, you could use sunflower oil instead, which is quite a popular thing in muffins. I prefer the taste of butter, if I'm honest. You could also melt your butter if you are averse to cream in it, but I like to do it this way. So that's my wet stuff, no problem. So then I've got self-raising flour, and into that I'm going to add some baking powder, some ground cinnamon, and about half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a mix, just to kind of combine it a little bit really. And then that is going straight into the wet mix. Now is when you kind of need to be a bit more proactive with your mixing. So make sure everything is really nicely combined, but don't put an electric whisk in it and beat the hell out of it, okay? As you can see, it's coming together now with no problem at all. Just like that. And then I'm going to add my apples, which I've prepped into small pieces, kind of that size. They're sat in some lemon water just so that they don't go brown. So I'm going to drain those, dry them, and then just add them into the mix. Into the mix. Now I prefer pieces of apple in my muffins, but if you don't, or you're trying to get sneaky things into your children because they won't eat fruit, you can grate the apple and they won't know it's there, but you will still have a really lovely moist muffin. And that, my friends, is it. I'm going to spoon those, or that, into my muffin tins. I have preheated my oven to 170 degrees fan, so that would be 190 without a fan. Gas mark 6.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
We'll check the gas mark for you.
Gas in it,
no, we don't do gas down here. And they're literally going to go into the muffin cases. I'm going to sprinkle a tiny little bit of demerara sugar on the top just to give them a little crunchy, crispy bit. And then they're going in the oven for about 20 minutes. Stick a skewer or something in to make sure that it comes out clean, and that, my friends, is it. Leave them a good 10 minutes before you try and eat one, because they'll just be molten hot, and they should last a couple of days in a sealed container. So I will show you the end results when they're out of the oven. But that is my quickie for the day. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all again really soon. I've got an ace bread recipe coming up.